Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here, and one of the questions I get asked all the time is how do I drill underneath a sidewalk? Go and get a simple bulb planter drill. You can get it on Amazon.com. It's about a $20 bit, but it's a simple and easy way to get wire under any sidewalk. Or go to YouTube and search Lighting Doctor, how to tunnel under a sidewalk for more great tips. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. In all my videos, the first step is I'm just going to go place the lights. I've laid them out around the property. Now I just want to dig them in and get them set so that I can come around and wire them. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to select my positioning, roughly where I want that light. I'm going to dig a small hole, but I want it to be big enough that I can fit extra wire in. Like I said, when I come back at night, I might want to move this by a foot or two, so I want to have enough extra wire to do that. So I'm going to dig a hole big enough for that. I'm going to take my ground stake, place that in the ground, and then I'm just going to hammer it in with my rubber mallet, just because I want to give it a little bit more security and keep it nice and stable. So I always do that, and that's all I'm doing at this stage. I'm just going in place and I'm getting them secure so I can come around and wire them all up, and that's the first step. This is our 12-2 low voltage direct burial wire. This is our most commonly used low voltage landscape lighting wire, which is great for any landscape lighting systems of 20 to 30 lights or less. But if you want more info on how to properly size your wire and your transformer, go to YouTube and search Lighting Doctor, how to size your transformer, and we have tons of great videos that talks more about how to use the proper wire in your landscape lighting project. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. This is the DBRY waterproof landscape lighting connectors. These are great for long-lasting low voltage landscape lighting connections. Each one of these tubes is gel filled to help keep the water out, as well as it's got a snapping mechanism to keep your wires from pulling apart, which ensures that you're going to have long-lasting connections for all your low voltage landscape lighting. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here, and one of the questions I get asked all the time is how do I drill underneath a sidewalk? Go and get a simple bulb planter drill. You can get it on Amazon.com. It's about a $20 bit, but is a simple and easy way to get wire under any sidewalk. Or go to YouTube and search Lighting Doctor, how to tunnel under a sidewalk for more great tips. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I just want to show you one of the probably the most important tools that you can get for burying your landscape lighting wire is just a simple flat spaded shovel for making sure you get that wire nice and deep in the ground. So one of the things I get asked is how to bury the wire. In a mulch area like this, what I like to do is just with a flat shovel or a rake is just move the mulch or whatever you have back from wherever you want to lay that wire. And then I just go around with a flat-ended spade and basically just make a cut and just loosen that dirt up. And give it a good place for the wire to sit. And then afterwards, a tool like this is going to be your best friend. You can find this in any garden section. I don't even know what it's called. A flat-ended screwdriver will work well too. The reason I like this is because it's got the two little prongs that you can that helps just push the wire down. And then after I just go and I start pushing that wire down into the dirt, get it nice and deep. Because this is low voltage, you don't have to have it 18 inches or a foot down. And then the other thing I like to do just to help secure it is every once in a while, just a simple landscape stake like this, and just throw it over the wire and hammer it down, and that'll just help that as you're gardening and stuff, if you happen to dig it up or catch it with a rake, all that wire is not going to pull out. It's just going to help secure it down. So I'm going to try and show you a little wiring tip here, because this is a question I get all the time. And guys will hook up all their lights, and they get to the and everything's working, and they hook up their last light, and all of a sudden it's not working. And it's typically because that last fixture on the line seems to tends to give people some confusion. I can't even say it. So we're getting poured on here, but I'm going to show you the last fixture on the line here and how we're going to go and wire that. And if you want a better definition and diagram, go to YouTube, search Lighting Doctor wiring diagram, and I give you a really thorough example of this. But so I've got my last fixture right here, and I've got my 2 wires that come off of that fixture, right? And then I've got my 12-2 wire that is coming to the last fixture. So I don't have another wire going to another one. This is it. This is the end. So what most people do is they just end up using one connector and putting all the wires in, and then it shorts everything. So, but that's not how you do it. Even on this last fixture, you still need 2 of your connectors. So what you're going to do, again, you're going to have your 12-2 wire, and you're going to split that, and you're going to take one of those wires and you're going to throw it in the big port on your BVS2 connectors, and then you're going to take one wire from your actual fixture and you're going to put it in one of the small ports on that same connector. So you're going to have, on the last fixture, you're going to have 1 extra hole for wire. You don't need to use that. You've only got 2 wires coming in. And then you need to do that one more time because you still have another wire to from your fixture, and you still have another wire, another 12-2 wire coming in. So same thing. You're going to throw that 12-2 wire in the big port, and you are going to throw that small wire in the smaller port from your fixture, and then still at that last light you still have the 2 connections. The only difference with this and one in line is one in line, that extra hole is going to have the 12-2 wire that goes out to your next light on both of these, right? Because this is our last fixture, you have that hole empty. So I like using these BVS2 snap lock connectors. I also like using these DBRY connectors, which I talked a lot about, which same idea, except the only difference is the wires just screw into this moret, and this moret slides into this waterproofing tube. So it doesn't matter what you use. The big 2 things to keep in mind is, 1, some type of waterproofing. It's got to be gel filled of some sort. Those connectors that you buy at Home Depot and places like that that pierce the wire, stay away from those. If they have those connectors built right onto the fixture and you still want to use that fixture, cut them off and use a proper one that's got some kind of sealant in it to make that a waterproof connection, or I promise you, you'll be digging up that connection. And the other thing is something that has a mechanical connection. So what that means is something that will hold the wires from being pulled apart. These ones I like because they snap tight, and once the wires are in there, they don't come out. Same with these. Once you got the wires in there in these big gel-filled tubes and you snap this shut, you're not pulling the wires out of that. So some people will just use those gel-filled morets, which is fine. They have that waterproofing, but then you got to wrap them with tape or zip tie the wires together. Do something so you can't pull those wires together, or again, I promise you, you're going to be digging up down the road. So there's all kinds of other wire connectors that are out there, but they need those 2 components: waterproofing and that mechanical connection to keep those wires from coming apart. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Now please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our how-to page. It's full of great resources, from our podcast to our video to our most frequently asked questions. And also check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can actually go now and get one of our premium quality uplights and a King Innovation Insta-Light, which is basically a battery pack now that allows you to go and run those lights and test them out on your property. Try it for 14 days. If you don't love it, send it back to us and we'll give you a full refund. And if not, you keep the light at a discounted rate and go and buy what you need for your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment. We'd love your feedback. Have a great day.